Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make a classic steak-cum Philly sandwich, the only way it should be done. First, let's gather our simple yet crucial ingredients. You'll need a package of thinly sliced frozen beef, a soft, fresh hoagie roll, and 2 to 3 slices of American cheese per sandwich. While optional, sautéed onions and bell peppers can add a wonderful depth of flavor. Having these ready ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your griddle or a large skillet to a medium-high temperature. Once hot, place the frozen, thinly sliced beef directly onto the surface. Using 2 spatulas, quickly break up the meat into smaller pieces as it thaws and cooks. This process usually takes about 2 minutes. Continue cooking until all the pink is gone and some edges are nicely browned and slightly crispy, ensuring a flavorful base for your sandwich. With your steak perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. First, gather the cooked beef into a long, narrow pile on one side of your griddle. Next, generously lay 2 to 3 slices of American cheese directly over the hot steak. Let the cheese melt completely, creating that signature gooey, creamy topping. While the cheese melts, lightly toast the inside of your hoagie roll for about 30 seconds, adding a delightful warmth and slight crispness. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Carefully scoop the entire Cheesesteak mixture directly into your perfectly toasted hoagie roll. Be generous. You want every bite to be packed with flavor. Serve your steak-cum Philly sandwich immediately to savor its warm, melty goodness. If you prepared them, now is the time to add those delicious sautéed onions or peppers. This simple, authentic method guarantees a truly satisfying and classic Philly experience every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.